Hello, I'm Teacher Jackie, and you have caught me in my classroom where I usually teach online classes from. Today I'd like to speak with the parents, moms and dads, of adopted children. Those of you like myself who have chosen to grow their families by adopting children from countries where English is not the primary language. I know how you're feeling. If your children are not able to communicate, if they're not able to tell you what they need or answer your questions or understand you, and that's where I come in. I have experience in working with many children who are living in countries where they don't speak English, and also with children who have moved to the United States to live with their forever families, and they are older, especially like about 12, 13 years old, and they're not quite able to speak the language. It's a very frustrating situation, but I'm offering a class where your child can, with fun and with a little bit of work and conversation, get to a place where they will be able to communicate better with you. We will do that through conversation, as I mentioned. We will work on drilling words and sentences. We will work on pronunciation. They will be able to read better, and they will be able to understand what you're saying better when we're finished or as we progress. So if you're interested in a class like this, please look at my contact information and we'll get together. We'll talk about it. Let me know what your needs are, and then we'll work on a placement test for your child and a free 30-minute class where we can really get to know each other before we start. So I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening. Goodbye now.